Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about what are NFT and how we earn money from NFT. First of all, I will tell you that what is NFT. NFT is a non-fungible token, is a way of proving that a digital item is the only one of its kind in existence and therefore cannot be copied or reproduced without the owner's knowledge and consent. There are so many types of NFT. Number one, collectible items, trading cards, artwork, event tickets, music and media, gaming, big sports movement, virtual fashion, real world assets. The direct and effective method of making money with NFTs is to create and sell them. Yes, you can create and sell anything digital such as arts, images, videos, properties, etc. as NFTs. If you have a nose to creativity, you can monetize all your creations by selling them as NFT. You can create and sell your own NFT collection using platform like Happy. You can earn money from trade NFTs. Trading NFT is a smart and easy way of making money easily and efficiently. You can purchase an NFT collection and make a profit by selling them at higher rates. However, trading NFT is not an easy task. The trick lies in selling them at the right time, which directly depends on various factors like what the NFT is, why you bought it, and if there's any other interest in the item. You can quickly research the internet and different marketplaces to determine these factors. So as a trader, you need to keep a close eye on each and every prospect for making good money in future resale. Rent out NFTs. One of the best ways to earn money through NFT is to rent them out. Renting out NFTs can be a good source of passive income for the NFT creator and collectors. The interesting thing is that you can use the NFTs for the long terms without having to create new ones. You can rent out your NFTs in games or any other platform that allows users to borrow NFT cards. NFT gaming. The NFT based video games are also one of the known methods of making money through NFTs. There are games that allow you to purchase in-game items as NFTs and trade them, helping you earn money out of it. Still, their number is limited for now. With the type of NFTs, there is certainly no doubt that you will be seeing more and more games in the near future. You can also earn money from NFT royalties. Setting up a royalty on your NFTs is a great way to ensure consistent flow of income. By NFT royalties, you can earn money whenever your NFT changes hands on the secondary market, meaning you will continuously get income even after selling your creations to collectors. For an instance, if you set a 10% royalty on your NFTs, you will receive 10% of the total sale price each time your digital asset is resold to a new owner. What else? Since the whole process is automated, you do not need to enforce your royalty terms or track payment manually. From stake NFTs. Staking NFT is yet another proven way of earning money through NFTs. In simple terms, staking is the process of storing digital works in the form of a stake. Hope this video will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.